and we have lost here.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have watched my previous video, you must be knowing that it's a continuing trip from Satkosia Sand Resort, and now we are heading to Satkosia Nature Camp. So let's go.
Few moments later.
And we have lost here. No network, and we are not finding our way as well. There is no signing board, nothing.
After so many attempts, finally someone has answered the call from the resort and updated us about the route. Actually, the route we were following as per the map turns out to be closed, and we are taking another route which is gonna add around 80 to 90 km extra to our trip. Let me explain you in detail about the route. So let's pause the trip and go to the map. So here is the Satkosia Nature Camp Chhotkei. Actually, Chhotkei is the village name. I don't know why it is showing Chhotkei Nature Camp. We are coming from Satkosia Sand Resort, which is somewhere here. So we had taken this route as it is less in distance, but unfortunately it has been closed. So we have to take long way from here to reach Satkosia Nature Camp. So if you are coming to Satkosia Nature Camp, don't take this route. You have to get connect anyhow to this route. So to do that, you have to come to Bantala Square or Badkira Square to get connect with this route. So that was the route according to my experience. So let's continue the trip now.
It's 3:10 right now, and we are still away of 35 km from the destination. It's been how many hours? 4.5 hours we are riding. 160 km we have to cover up. So this is it. It took almost 4 hours to reach here with some stopover. So another 1 hour we will be reaching there. So finally we have reached to our tent. Let's see how it is. I will show you. Quite good, but not as good as like Satkosia Sand Resort. The cleanliness was better in there. Here it is little dusty, and here is the washroom. So this is it. We'll freshen up right now, and then we'll go for lunch. So much hungry. After we reach, we freshen up. Then the people of the resort, they have kept some food for us because there was a prior booking. So we had a food as well, lunch. Then we are just relaxing right now, and they don't have much activity like Satkosia Sand Resort, but they'll be doing bonfire today, and maybe some music event, I don't know. Let's see what is going. So this one is the canteen, and this is the whole nature camp site. There is no network. If you want a digital detox, you can come here. No network is coming except BSNL. So if you are a really nature lover and you want to stay within the nature, this is the best place for you. And this is inside the forest, which is inside the Tiger Reserve. So as there is no network, my friend is so upset. See what he is saying.
हाय भाई, गैजेट एडिक्ट हो तो आइयो मत, घर पे रह जाना, ठीक?
ना कुछ तेरा ना कुछ मेरा, ये जग जोगी वाला फेरा, राजा हो या रंग सभी का, राजा हो या रंग सभी का, अंत सा होई
So guys, it's 10:30 now. After the prayer event, we met very friendly couple, Mr. and Mrs. Sarfaraz and Farzana. So we were gossiping together since then. We had our dinner already and we are going to play carom. So let's go for the game.
अर्जुन बनना है लिटरली।
The game is on right now. We are playing and the recording is on right now also. So we are leading at 6-0. Let's see who is winning the game. And two players are playing very well, Kuldeep and Sarfaraz. And Sarfaraz, sorry. And two of us like nothing. And of course we are using this powder because we don't have the other one. Boric powder. Okay guys, so we have finished the game by now and it's already almost 12 and we have a trekking to do tomorrow morning around 7. So it's time to sleep. So have a good night. Bye bye. Good morning to another day in Satkosia. It's 7:15 right now and we will be having some snacks or tea right now, or maybe only tea. Then after we will be leaving for the jungle trek and we are on the verge of trekking right now. So we have finished the trekking by right now and we are back to the camp. Now we will have our breakfast, then we'll check out. And there is Tikkarpada nearby, so we might go there to see some crocodiles. So we are checking out now from Satkosia Nature Camp, Chhotkei. So in 2 days I have visited 2 camps. First one is the Sand Resort, Satkosia, and this one is the Satkosia Nature Camp. And I showed you also. In my experience, overally Satkosia Sand Resort was far better from this place because they have much of activities like for bonfire, folk dance, volleyball playing, and badminton, and so many things. Trekking as well, but here you will get only bonfire and trekking, morning trekking. There is no other such activity. So once you come here, there is not much things to do. Tikarpada is 15 km away from here, so you can visit that, which we will go right now. So apart from that, Sand Resort service and food are also much better than this place. But yes, one thing is good about this place is this is totally inside the forest. So if you want to stay between the green density forest, you can come here. So we are entering to the Ghadial Research Center right now. Let's see how many Ghadial or crocodile we can see. To do the boating in Satkosia, this is the best place to do the boating because you can find many crocodiles here while doing the boating rather than the other place. Other place there are very less chance to find them. So it's better to do the boating here if you are planning to do the boating in Satkosia. And it costs 1600 per boat, and 8 people can travel. So per head it is 200 rupees. So we have finished visiting this place, Ghadial Research and Conservation Unit. It was amazing, only 5 rupees ticket. Here our trip is over, but trip over, not the memories. Memories start from here. In 2 days, lots of memories forever and for the life. See you next time. Bye bye.